Did you know about the incredible health benefits of beets? These vibrant root vegetables are not just pleasing to the eye, but also packed with nutrients. They are rich in antioxidants like betalains, which protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Beets also promote heart health and enhance athletic performance thanks to their nitrate content. They can support brain health by improving blood flow to the brain and aid in digestive health with their good source of fiber. Indeed, beets are a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly boost your health. But the wonders of beets don't stop at their health benefits. In fact, these vibrant roots are culinary chameleons, adapting to a variety of cooking methods while retaining their distinctive flavor. Roasting brings out their sweetness, enhancing their earthy undertones. Juicing them yields a nutrient-dense beverage that's both refreshing and invigorating. And let's not forget pickling. The tanginess of pickled beets makes them a great addition to salads and sandwiches. Speaking of recipes, the adaptability of beets is truly remarkable. Imagine a salad dotted with jewel-like roasted beets, the crunch of fresh greens perfectly complementing their soft texture. Or a vibrant beet hummus, its rich earthy flavor adding a unique twist to a classic dip. How about a beet smoothie? Its deep red hue as enticing as its health benefits. And for a crunchy, guilt-free snack, you can't go wrong with beet chips. With their rich earthy flavor and stunning hues, beets can add a burst of color and nutrition to any dish. Interested in adding more beets to your diet? Here's how you can select, store, and prepare them for optimal flavor and nutrition. When choosing beets, look for ones that are firm and heavy for their size with smooth and blemish-free skin. Smaller beets tend to be sweeter and more tender. To store them, remove the leafy tops, leaving about 1 inch of stem attached to prevent the beets from bleeding. Keep them in a cool, dry place or refrigerate for longer storage. Now, on to preparation. Beets can be eaten raw or cooked. Roasting beets helps to bring out their sweet, earthy flavor. Just wrap them in foil and bake until tender. Or you can steam or boil them. Remember to peel the skin after cooking. For those with a green thumb, growing beets is relatively straightforward. They thrive in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight. With these tips, you're well equipped to incorporate this nutrient-rich root vegetable into your meals. In summary, beets are a versatile and nutrient-packed vegetable that can boost your health and elevate your meals. They're rich in antioxidants, support heart and brain health, and even aid in weight management. Their vibrant color and earthy flavor make them a star ingredient in a variety of dishes, from salads to smoothies. And with the right tips for selecting, storing, and preparing, you can ensure they're at their best. So why not give beets a try and experience their health benefits and rich, earthy flavor for yourself?